Forgot password? Tired of typing long, secure passwords? Cloud and safe does not go well together for you? Try the Typewriter One. It's offline and safe. It will simply take the typing for you. But you are in control of what happens when you plug it off. Encrypted following NSA Suite B cryptography AES algorithm. It's not meant to log you into your social media account. It's for all the things where you need privacy and security. You are in control. There's more convenient ways to get from A to B, but it's better to decide for yourself where you are going.